Look at me, yeah, yeah. Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? All right, so we got a lot to do today. I was supposed to be going to Santa Rosa because the LS3 was supposed to be starting. Turns out got ready to put the motor in, but we don't have that pilot bearing adapter for the CDO9 trans or whatever, so I gotta wait and order that. So unfortunately that thing isn't going to be done today. I've tried to get local machine shops to do it, but everybody wanted like $300 to try to pull the old one out the other crank or to remake it. It wasn't worth it. LOJ sells a new one for $50. I hit up ISR to see if I can get theirs, but I'll deal with that later and to figure that out. But right now I'm about to be taking the Corvette. We're about to be going to Twinkies, and Twinkies gonna be cutting the Trackspec hood vents in this thing for me. Almost took off without even vlogging. Almost forgot the intro, but yeah, this thing's warming up. That way we can get ready to go. I think my brother about to change the wheels on this thing or something. Said you about to go get new tires for this?
Yeah, and then my center caps. Then I'm drop it off and get my top redo.
This car actually hella clean. Y'all always be asking about it. Look, dash clean, seats and everything fresh, no rips. Back there he had hella speakers and stuff in the back, but interior on here is hella immaculate. How many speakers you got in here? What is it, like 612s or something? It said 612s?
Yeah.
Straight nigga whopping this thing. Nigga whop. Come on, get out the street. Alright, I'm outie. I gotta go. We don't even really look like brothers. Would you believe this is my blood ass brother right here? I told you, me and my brother's like opposites.
I'm gonna lay something down for him too.
All right, so let's get up out of here. We got a long drive. Bruh, this car man, this car feels so low. Like you literally feel like you fall into it. Like it's not I don't think it's my lowest car. Well, hold on, look, roll the windows up because we got AC now. But yeah, this shit Corvettes feel stupid low. Like you just fall into the floor. So as I got ready to leave, that fool Aaron called me and said that he wanted me to take his door handles and stuff out there for his Mustang. What's up, Blood?
What's up, Blood?
What you got, nigga? I want all of this, bro. What you got? Man, leave it all this. I need all this. Just keep it in the box, bro.
I'm sorry, bro.
Keep it in the box. Hurry up, bro. Nah, you gotta want your paper. We on the move. What's that? We got hardware. Take that too.
That's it.
All right, we're go. Pit crew.
Hey, I'm gonna go up to the motivated, so I'm gonna go out there.
Where? To Santa Rosa?
Yeah.
All right. So, Aaron parts. But yeah, like I was saying, we ended up dropping off Aaron's car to Twinkies. Twinkie actually knocked the body work out super quick. I'm about to show y'all the Mustang because I know y'all been wanting to see it, and it's actually looking good. We got a lot of the work done. Aaron's new motor is supposed to be arriving at Brett's today. What's up, Blood?
You're lucky I let you in. I would have just taken off the hood out and left it outside. This is gross.
Oh, wrapped. You love this.
Nasty.
Ooh, look at the body work on Aaron's foxbody. No more dented up fenders. Y'all remember how this is all offed up, the hood cow area? Look at that, everything straight. Remember that roof? Oh, fenders, look, everything is good now. Body all straight and ready for Paradox to wrap it. Look at that. Hella straight now. This thing coming a long way. That shit was whooped. What has it been, like what? Almost 2 weeks?
Like 10 days?
Yeah, this was quick. Quick.
Get it 100% because the reinforcement, this and this are.
Oh yeah, those are bucked up in there.
The best we could is where it's at. Hope for the best.
Nah, it's way better than what it
All
was.
this shit feels straight.
Way better than what it was. High five, good job.
My dad did it.
Oh, so your dad's the hard working one. You did this? High five. I knew it wasn't Twinkie. I knew it was too good to be true. Good job. Twinkie's Pops. So yeah, these are the new Trackspec vents that we putting on here.
The instructions say 6 inches and some other shit, but they just look better wherever I placed them on the other one. Something around there.
I'll take the hood off. So this is kind of what the Trackspec vents are going to look like. Obviously, they're going to be sunk into the hood. And hopefully these things really do dissipate heat and get the temperatures down a little bit.
Now we make love.
About to be A1 stupid straight.
Alright, Mike, you might disappear in the night, but turn off all the lights. Don't touch me.
Trust me, you're not desirable. That's crooked.
Can you wait?
That's crooked still. Time to chop. Not chomp, like chop.
Gotta eat, huh?
Cut. Stop sniffing me! Get away! Hey! Get away! And hood all done. Looks hella good. Sick.
How long did it take to ship?
What, these? They shipped them. I got them, I want to say, in a couple days. All done. Look hella clean. If only my lip would get here. I actually canceled the order for the other lip because UPS was taking hella long and it was just stuck at the hub. So I put a request in for them to send that back to UPS.
Quit lying. Payment didn't go through.
Nigga, payment definitely went through. But the new lip should be here Friday, but I'm gonna be out of town. I'm gonna be in Reading, so I'll probably get that all mounted up probably Sunday-ish. But the lip should be on the way here.
I know you could buy parts with EBT.
Can't buy parts with EBT. I guess Twinkie did. He didn't do the work. His dad did most of it.
Yes.
So.
He's right there.
So yeah, we just got to this meet. Twinkie talked me into coming. It's hella people out here. Hella people out here. I ain't been to a meeting hella long.
What you need is to match me
where your Corona mask at?
Nobody here has one.
We all gonna get the Rona.
I'm immune.
All gonna get the Rona. So first car I'm coming to check out over here is the NSX. I'm a simple man. I see NSX, I approach to look at. What's good with you, bro? Soda. Ooh, this is clean. Hella clean. Bro, I ain't been to a meeting so long. We trying to see if it's wrapped or painted.
I was trying to see.
It looked like it's wrapped. No, it's painted. It's painted. It's paint.
It's clean though.
Yeah, he clean. He hella clean.
It's still Nardo gray.
Still clean. Nardo with carbon. Good combo.
All right.
Look, this man out here with the honey Teddy Grams. The honey Teddy Grams, huh? I used to eat these in middle school. Damn, where you at, Aaron, nigga? Look, where you at, bruh? He clean out here. Woo. Stupid clean. There you go. Niggas acting up already. There go the police right there. Police right there.
Oh, is he done, bro?
Damn, they got his silly ass. Got him, no. Got him. There's people way over there, over there. The Mustang nigga got blurped over there. Got him, huh?
Got him. I thought he was gonna get away.
Bro, they been driving. Police been driving around the parking lot the whole time we've been here.
I know. All of a sudden that guy was doing it. I thought they were gone, but they were just camping on the other side.
Yeah, he was sitting there waiting.
They had the blocks ready to go.
Hella booty out here, huh?
Hey,
All that, see all that, see all that ass out here?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! You gonna get me locked up.
So what? You see an ass? Ain't nothing wrong with looking.
Well, they're just presenting it.
Cheeks all over the place. Damn. Damn. I'm up here filling up gas, getting ready to head back home. Had a cool little drive, hour 30 minutes. But yeah, let me give y'all a good one last little look. I think this is the first time y'all probably seen this thing with the lights up. Put the emblem back on, but got that thing taped down because I don't want it to fly up. But emblem back on. Hood vents look fantastic. Damn, thirsty little bitch. Yeah, everything looking good. And you can feel hella heat coming off the vents. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Unfortunately, we didn't get to finish the 350Z, but it's all good. I got some stuff taken care of on here. Tomorrow, I'm gonna be picking up the head and cam package, and then I'm just gonna be getting ready for the trip to Reading. After that trip, after our little vacation, then I'm gonna be dropping this car off to get the head and cam and everything done. And by then, hopefully the G35 will be ready for me to pick up. I think they're gonna be planning on tuning it while I'm gone or on vacation, so I'm not gonna get that content, but... Huh? Let you test drive it. Ah, yeah. Negative. Let you test drive it. Absolutely not. Hey, that's how people get killed and stuff. Paul Walker died in the passenger seat. Talking about let her drive. Pisses you out your mind. But yeah, we're gonna wrap this up, call it a day. And I'll see y'all tomorrow or so. I'm going on vacation, so I'm not sure. Maybe I'll vlog while I'm out there. I gotta figure this out, but long drive, I'm outie. Enjoy.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fucking niggas hating on, I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma give you a